Alright, complementary and supplementary angles. What do they mean? First, let's go over some terms. Perpendicular. They make a 90-degree angle, or they look like this. Perpendicular. So, perpendicular lines intersect at 90-degree angle, or / a right angle. Also, parallel lines. What does that mean? These are two lines that never intersect. Okay? So, it's easier to probably draw that, which looks like this. That, and then I'll do a purple line. So they never intersect. They're just going up and over at the same rate. So those are important facts for the lessons to come. A complementary. So complementary are angles that add to make 90 degrees. Alright, so two complementary angles add to make this L. Alright, so that's how you know that it's complementary. And the supplementary angles that add to make 180 degrees. And a 180 degree angle, what is that? That's a straight line. Just like that. So that's 180 degrees. Alright? So let's look at some problems. So are the angles A, B, and C, and D, E, and F complementary? Well, it's easy. All we have to do is this. What does 27 plus 63 equal? And it equals 90 degrees. Check. So yes, they are complementary. So, I would like you guys to find an angle complementary to the following. So, I'll pause it here, and I'll give you guys a few minutes to try and find that. So here are the answers, and for this last one, it's none. Alright, so 37, 77, I'm pretty sure I did all right. I feel a little sick, so my math is taking a beating. Alright, so those are how you do that, and they should all add up to 90, all equal 90 degrees. And the reason 100, you can't have a negative angle. Alright. So find x if we have this. So this is supplementary, because it's a straight line. And supplementary equals 180 degrees. Alright, so x equals, and I'm going to write an equation here. So 135 plus x equals 180. I know it seems like a lot of work, but this is where we're going. So minus 135, minus 135, because pretty soon we're going to be doing that. So x equals 45 degrees. Looks about right. Alright? The angle, I mean. The answer is right. So x is 45 degrees. Alright. There are two angles that form a complementary angles. Angle A is 3x, and angle B equals 3x plus 6. So we got to make an equation here. So let's start. Something plus something equals something. Well, complementary. What does that equal? 90 degrees. So they have to add to 90 degrees. Or how about we do that? I filled it in. Angle A plus angle B equals the complementary. So what does that mean? So angle A is 3x degrees plus angle B is x plus 6 degrees and equals 90. So, combine my like terms. I have 4x plus 6 equals 90. And I'm going to subtract 4, or 6, sorry, subtract 6. Yeah, my math is not feeling it right now. I really don't feel good. Subtract 6, so I'm left with 4x equals 84. And now finally you divide by 4. So x equals 21. But we are not done now. Angle A equals 3x. So angle A angle A equals 3 times 21, which equals 63 degrees. And angle B equals x plus 6, which is 21 plus 6, which equals 27 degrees. And 63 plus 27 equals 90. Alright, so my final answers are here. Alright, we got one more step. So, again, find the measure of two supplementary angles are x plus 1 degrees and 2x minus 1 degrees. Find them. Alright, so let's call this angle A, again, and angle B. So filling this in, x plus 1, 2x minus 1, 180 degrees. If we combine our like terms, which I'll do, x's are and number plus 1 minus 1, that becomes 0. So I'm going to have 3x equals 180. So now I divide by 3. And x equals 60. So angle A equals 60 plus 1, which equals, and angle B 2 times 60 minus 1, which equals 2 times 60 is 120, minus 1 is 119. And that's it. So there's my answers. and they add up to, if you want to check it, so they work.